Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So good afternoon to all of you.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon,
Okay. Okay. Let me start the class. So we discussed about malaria previously. Now I want to start with a new disease that will be tuberculosis. Please write down tuberculosis. Write down the topic tuberculosis. TUBERCULOSIS, tuberculosis. Below you write tuberculosis is a specific tuberculosis is a specific SPECIFIC. Tuberculosis is a specific infectious disease infectious disease infectious 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 disease caused by caused caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Caused by Mycobacterium. M should be capital. Okay. MYCOBACTERIUM. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. T will be small letter. TUBERCULOSIS. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Full stop. Okay. Whoever joined now, let me repeat. We are starting with tuberculosis. Okay. You have to write down the topic tuberculosis. Then below you write tuberculosis is a specific infectious disease. Tuberculosis is a specific 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 infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. M should be capital letter and T should be small. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. MYCOBACTERIUM. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Full stop. The disease, the disease, the disease primarily PRIMARILY. The disease primarily affects the lungs. Primarily affects the lungs. LUNGS. Primarily affects the lungs and causes pulmonary tuberculosis and causes pulmonary tuberculosis. Pulmonary PULMONARY. Pulmonary tuberculosis. TUBERCULOSIS. The disease primarily affects the lungs and causes pulmonary tuberculosis. Full stop. It can also affect intestine. It can also affect intestine. It can also affect intestine. INTESTINE. Intestine, comma, meninges, MENINGES, meninges. Meninges,
Yeah.
MENINGES. Huh?
Intestine.
Intestine, comma, meninges, MENINGES, meninges.
Thank you, ma'am.
Meninges, comma, bones and joints, bones, BONES, bones and joints, JOINTS. Bones and joints, comma, skin and other tissues of the body. Skin, skin and other tissues of the body. Skin and other tissues, TISSUES, tissues of the body. Full stop. Change the paragraph and write down the disease also affects animals. The disease also affects animals. The disease also affects animals like cattle. Like cattle. CATTLE, cattle. Like cattle. This is comma cattle comma. This is known as. This is known as. This is known as bovine tuberculosis. In between inverted commas, you can write down bovine. 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 Bovine tuberculosis. Close the inverted commas. Bovine tuberculosis, comma, which may sometimes be, communicated to man. Communicated to man, man. Which may sometimes be communicated to man, full stop. Okay, so tuberculosis, the name of the tuberculosis, it is a what? It is a infectious disease. Okay, and the name of the bacteria is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. You should know. The name of the bacteria that causes tuberculosis is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, and this Mycobacterium tuberculosis will affect your lungs. Okay, it will affect your lungs, and when it affects your lungs, it also causes pulmonary tuberculosis, because of which you suffer from cough, chest pain, breathing difficulty. Okay, these are the reasons why you face, that's why you get the sign and symptoms when affected in the lungs, and that is known as tuberculosis. And the name of the bacteria is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Okay, and sometimes it also affects the intestine. Okay, intestine are small and large intestine. Okay, it is a part of your digestive tract. Intestines, it is a part of your digestive tract. And intestine is what is the shape of intestine? It will be in the form of a tube. Okay, muscular tube. It will extend from your stomach to the anus. Okay, so next is meninges. Meninges is what? Meninges, it is a membrane. Okay, it is a protective membrane that will cover or that will protect your brain and spinal cord. Okay, meninges, it is a protective membrane that will cover the brain and spinal cord. It is a protective layer. Okay, and sometimes it also affects the bones, joints, skin, and also other parts of the body, other tissues of the body. And there is also one other form of tuberculosis. The other name of tuberculosis is bovine tuberculosis, and bovine tuberculosis is mainly spread from animals. Okay, from animals to human beings. Okay, it is communicable disease. So from animals also we can get affected, and that is known as bovine tuberculosis, that which is affected from animals, especially cattle. Okay, that is known as bovine tuberculosis. So bovine tuberculosis, you cannot say that it will affect from human to human, but it will be affected from animals to human beings. Whereas Mycobacterium tuberculosis, okay, this is a communicable disease that can communicate from one person to another. Okay. Next, you write down the sign and symptoms. Write down the sign and symptoms. Number one, coughing, Coughing, coughing. Coughing that lasts 3 or more weeks. Coughing that lasts 3 or more weeks. Coughing that lasts for 3 or more weeks. Number two, coughing up blood. Coughing up blood. BLOOD. Coughing up blood. Coughing up blood. Number three, chest pain. Chest pain. CHEST. Chest pain. Chest pain, comma, or pain with breathing or coughing. Or pain with breathing or coughing. Or pain with breathing or coughing. Number four, fever. FEVER, fever. Fever. Number five, night sweat. NIGHT, night sweat. SWEAT, night sweat. Number six, chill. CHILL, chill. CHILL, chill. So, so what are the sign and symptoms? The sign and symptoms are a person will cough for more than 3 weeks. Okay, if a person coughs for more than 3 weeks, he or she should consult a doctor. Okay, as soon as possible, because it can be a sign of tuberculosis. Next is coughing of blood, coughing up blood. When he or she coughs, okay, along with the cough, along with sputum, there will be presence of blood in the cough. Okay, this is also a symptom of tuberculosis. Next, the person will suffer from intense chest pain. Okay, or even when breathing, when the person will breathe, try to breathe, at that time also he will have pain in the chest. He will not be able to breathe properly. The respiratory rate will decrease. Okay. Next, the person will suffer from fever, then night sweat, intense sweating at night. When the person will suffer from intense sweating at night, especially at night time, he or she will sweat like anything. Next is the person will also feel cold. Okay, chill. So these are the signs and symptoms of tuberculosis. Next, wait a second. Now write down tuberculosis types. Tuberculosis types. TYPS. Tuberculosis types. Oh, acha, sorry. In sign and symptoms, number 7 you write. Point number 7. Sign and symptom. Point number 7 you write down. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. You continue with sign and symptoms. Okay, you write down loss of appetite. Number 7 is loss of appetite. APPETITE, loss of appetite. And the last one, number 9, is weight loss. Weight loss.
Number 8, it should be number 8, ma'am.
Huh?
Number 7 to loss of appetite to number 8.
Weight loss. 7 is loss of appetite. Number 8 is weight loss. So loss of appetite, I think you know what is loss of appetite. The person will not feel like eating anything. There will be loss of appetite. Okay, even if you bring the most favorite dish, okay, he will be avoiding it. He will not feel like eating because he's suffering from this tuberculosis, because of which he will have loss of taste buds. Okay, the taste buds will become bitter, because of which he will suffer loss of appetite, and ultimately he will have loss over what? Weight loss. Next, you write down tuberculosis types. Next, you write tuberculosis types. Underline it and write there are two forms. There are two types. There are two types respectively. There are two types respectively. There are two types respectively. Number 1, latent TB. Number 1 is latent, LATENT, latent TB. Number 1 is latent TB. Put a dash and write. In latent TB, in latent TB, in latent TB, the germs in the body, there are presence of germs in the body. There are presence of germs in the body, comma, but the immune system, but the immune system, but the immune system keeps them from spreading. But the immune system keeps them from spreading. Full stop. There is absence of any symptom. There is absence of any symptoms. There is absence of any symptom. Full stop. But the infection is still alive. But the infection is still alive and can become active. But the infection is still alive and can become active. Full stop. But can become active. So in latent TB, what you get is there is presence of germs in the body. Okay, this bacteria presence is there. Okay, when you go for X-ray and all, that time they will see the symptoms. But you, the person who is suffering, will have no sign and symptoms, no coughing of blood, no fever, no night chills. There are no sign, absence of any sign and symptoms. Okay, but the infection is there, and one day it can take the active form. One day it can become active. Okay, so for that they need to have, and this infection, it will last for at least 2 years. Okay, and even the chest X-ray will become unusual. You will not be able to find out, and even the immune system, slowly the immune system will also become weak. Okay, so this is known as latent TB. Number 2, you write active TB. Active TB. Number 2 is active, ACTIV, active TB. Write down the germs multiply. The germs multiply and can make you feel sick. The germs multiply and can make you feel sick. There are presence of signs and symptoms of tuberculosis. There are symptoms of sign and symptoms of tuberculosis. The person, full stop, the person can spread the disease to others. The person can spread the disease to others. The person can spread the disease to others. So in active TB, there are presence of germs also. Then again, there will be sign and symptoms also. And now the person is like a vector. Okay, he can spread the disease from one person to other. So this is latent and active TB. So next class we will discuss some other points. I think I'll end the class here because I think you from 1 you have class, and yeah, maybe it is your lunch time also. So I'll take your class tomorrow. We'll just adjust for few days. Okay, actually the network here is very bad. My network seems to be it's very bad here, so I'm not able to take class properly. Sometimes if my network is 0, then I will prefer to take class from home. I means maybe at night. Do you have any problem? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
At night means not ekdam, not like 9, 10 and all. I will take it around 7, maybe like that. 6:30, 7, like that. After I reach home, I will take rest and then I will take class. If there is so much of network issues here. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.